In this video, I'll show you how to back up your StraboMicro project to the server and how to download your project from the server. So when we have our micro project open, we'll want to go to File, and from there we just tap Upload Project. So if you've already uploaded this project before, it'll ask you if you're okay with overwriting your project. So this will update everything on the server with whatever you have locally. So just be careful when you press that. And if you haven't uploaded this project before, this button won't be there. And we'll press upload. So this, the amount of time this takes depends on how big your project is. If you have a project that's full of micrographs, especially really large ones, this could take some time, maybe like 10 minutes, but for a smaller project like this one, it shouldn't take too long at all. So what it does is compress them and then upload it to the server. So I'll just skip ahead here so we don't have to watch this. So when it's finished, you'll see this green success, and that means we're done. We'll press continue and we'll close that. And then we can go into our browser. So I'll just open up Safari here. And what I just uploaded was this Red Hills project. So we can either download the project, and that'll download the StraboMicro file that you can open straight up in StraboMicro locally, or you can view the project online. So this is a little web viewer that we have, and you can toggle through your micrographs, and you can look at some of the details or some of the notes that you may have put down, and the spots as well. And so all of the information is there. There's the spots. And on the right here, we also have the option to download the SMZ file. So that was the StraboMicro file, or we can download a PDF of the project. I'll show you what that looks like. So it's just all of the spots and samples that we have, and the ones with the micrographs have the pictures there, and you can see where the spots are as well. I'll close that out. And so if you want to download the file, or if you want to, if you're working on StraboMicro locally, and you want to open a project that's on the server but not on your computer, we can go to File, and then we can click Open Remote Project. So this will show you the projects that you have on the server, and it'll show you the size of them. So I have two projects, one that's just called Test that I was playing with, and then we have this Red Hills project. If I tap that and go to Next, it'll download the project here and open this up. And there it is. Another thing we can do is share our project with other people. So to do that, we just need to head back here. So I'm looking inside of my project again, and I'll go back to this page. So here we go to Account and My Data. You'll see this. And then there's this option here to share the project. If you click that, they'll give you this code. And then this is the code that you can give other people, and they can use it to download your project. And the way they do that is to go to StraboMicro. And so we go to File, and then you click Open Shared Project File. It asks you if you want to save the project that you have open right now. I'll just press No. And you can paste in the code there. So there's a warning here. Multiple people can't work on StraboMicro on the same StraboMicro project right now. So if somebody uses this code, they'll get a copy of your project, but you won't see their changes. But you press Next here, and it's the exact same thing. It'll download the project, and you're good to go. And then you can also save it locally with just a file in Save Project or a Save Project As. Thanks.